tours of my car. In today's video, we will talk about the manual transmission. Why do I drive a car with a manual transmission on it, over it? Big $1 million question. Why do I hate automatic transmissions? But first, let's put my seat belt on. Ha 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 ha. Here comes Santa Claus. Let's back up this bitch. I have to check my rear mirrors to see if there's people coming so I don't run them over going in reverse. Manual transmission over automatic. And my biggest problem, I don't know if this is a poor person's problem or a rich person's problem. I guess we all have problems one way or another. I prefer driving standard. I don't think I'll buy another Mercedes because they don't exist in manual transmissions. I mean, not here in North America anyways. Unfortunately, I think this is the last of the manual transmission cars for this type of Mercedes anyways. Check the meter, nobody coming. I'm paranoid when I get out of this garage is because one step at a time. I'm not in a hurry. Yellow light. Oh look at that nice little car there. Hey, like them white Porsche. It's very nice. It's a 911 T-top Targa. That's a 911 Targa T-top. It looks like my camera's not filming. Is it? Is the light blinking? Yes. So it's a 6-speed. Reverse is here. The first is here. The clutch is there. I want to make a U-turn. I want to go the other way. Or should I just go this way? I don't know. Does it make a difference? It sure is gonna make the distance longer if I come this way. Let's make the U-turn here. You're gonna see the pretty houses. I don't feel like filming those pretty homes. I've been through there already a million times. Push the clutch in, push the second, now second gear and second gear. It's easy. So just, I can take it off gear without going on the clutch pedal if I want. If I don't want to, just gotta match the revs of the wheels, the transmission, the clutch, the engine, and then you can just boop boop pop it out of gear without going on the clutch pedal. I can also change gears going forwards without going on the clutch or using the clutch pedal, using the clutch, leaving the clutch engaged all the time. It's all a matter of matching revs, matching the rev, the engine, with the transmission. I don't want to stay here. The light's too slow. It's too short, the light. I prefer having control over the transmission 100%. I kind of despise the automatic transmission, you know. There's a lot of cars today here, so I have to be patient. Guess what? The light just turned red. This one went through the red light practically. I'm filming you. So I have some, not to go off topic, but I was pushing the oil change on this car. I am. I'm gonna probably change it next week. I would do it myself, but I can't do it in my humble abode, should I say, humble abode. I'm not allowed to do stuff there. I could wash the car, but I can't do something like that. Of course, you have to jack up your car and put the jack stands. I don't have jack stands anymore since I left them all at my house when I sold the house. My floor jack, I also left it at the house we sold that I used to live in. So I don't have a floor jack. I don't have jacks. I have the car jack for the spare tire only. So I gotta do the maintenance. So there's a lot of burnt light bulbs here. I shouldn't really go, but I think I will go. There's nobody crossing the road. You can get a ticket for that. So I want people behind me start honking. Anyways, there's allegedly there are 3 burnt bulbs in this car. My front right daylight time running daylight light is burnt, and where else I have a burnt light bulb? I have a parking left side light bulb burnt, and apparently, allegedly, I have a light bulb for my license plate that's burnt as well. So we're gonna check that out, change those. I can go to Canadian Tire just across the street and buy the bulbs. Well, the main bulb is the daytime running light. So it's been burnt for a couple of weeks now. But you know what? I'm probably gonna decide to take the car in tomorrow. Next week sometime, to get the oil changed, the filter changed, maybe change the air filters and the oil filter, the oil itself, of course, air cabin filter changed, brake fluid doesn't need to be redone. We did it last year when we changed the all the brake lines that were changed last year. Suspension, I did some suspension work last year as well. Can do maybe another shock absorber on the left side this time, and do the oil change, regular maintenance, the B1, B2, whatever, BA1, whatever, scheduled maintenance. It won't cost too much, it won't be too expensive. Turning green, and automatics, like I said, the later runs right across, it turns green, but it is what it is. That's all she's got. It's got not a lot of power. I mean, it's 200 and some odd. It's not a 500 horsepower AMG, you know. It doesn't even have 300. So. I despise automatics for various reasons. I don't even like let's say the Porsche. The Porsche, I would have liked to buy one, but is that closed or just? No, it's not closed. There's a lot of versions with a PDK, double clutch, with the shifter paddles. So I'm gonna pull the gear lever without going in the clutch pedals up. I didn't need to go in the clutch pedal, just yanked it. And it's not hard, it comes out really smooth. PDK. It's a pretty impressive transmission, you know, actually. But I don't think I would want to drive a car in the long term with an automatic or a PDK or any of those DSG or any of that stuff. Who knows, maybe one day, but right now I don't feel like it. I prefer this for now. So I can't find another Mercedes or a newer model Mercedes with this. This is a 2009. I mean, 2024, God, I won't find it. Maybe in Europe, but. And automatic wise, 99% of the cars are in automatic mode, so forget about that. I mean, unless the price is really good, you know. I can't go fast here. The speed thing, it's 30 km/h speed limit. I don't like the control thing, giving the control over to an automatic transmission, so for various reasons. So for reasons as such, I want to downshift. I know you can downshift with the left paddle and upshift with the right paddle or something like that. I've driven cars with those. It's fun, but I don't want to buy one. I want to live with it, you know, like on a daily basis. Although I don't drive every day. I mean, it wouldn't be a daily driver. This is not a daily driver either. I prefer the Pier. I'm a Pier, so I want the manual transmission. So it is what it is. I know this video is getting a bit too long. I'm getting to where I want to get. I feel like opening the windows. I'm getting hot because it's jacket. But the wind noise is gonna not be good for the video. 1 second, a little bit here. Let's go in here. Let's go play golf. There used to be a golf course here, the Challenger, the Challenger golf course. But then they took the land. It was here, the golf course. They took the land, the land of the law of the land. You live by the law of the land. The law of the land, brother. So, I want to find a parking here. Is a party going on here at the restaurant? There's a restaurant. For an accident. The restaurant Challenger. I'll park in the handicap zone. I'll come out of the car limping. How's that done, Daddy? Oh, there's a parking lot over here, so it's no problemo, my brothers and sisters. A lot of parking spots here. I like parking there because it's convenient. I guess our journey has ended. This is it, my brothers. I've been looking for a car. This car is excellent, don't get me wrong, but I want something. I like to have something newer, I guess, or a sporty or a sports car, like a Porsche or something like that, but it's too expensive. Although the opportunity to buy a Porsche right now is very good. The prices are going down because the economy is really crap, you know. Anyways, it's hard to find. Very few, far in between, like a Boxster and a 14 Boxster or a 2014 Cayman. I was looking at those, but there's very few.